Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We got a helium balloon. Its diameter is 10 meters. We've got the temperature at 28 degrees Celsius. The pressure is 201 kPa. Find the number of moles and total mass of the helium inside the balloon. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. Step 2, list all the given variables, find the unknown. Step 3, find the formula for mass. So little m is equal to n multiplied by m. So n is the number of moles and capital M is the molar mass. Step 4, find the number of moles formula. So N is equal to PV divided by the universal gas constant, or RU, multiplied by the absolute temperature, which is T. Step 5, find the helium gas constant. So that is the universal gas constant, which is RU. So that is 8.314 kPa meters cubed per kmol Kelvin. You can find this in your textbooks or you can Google search it. Step 6, find your molar mass of helium. It'll be in the same place in the textbook, or you can Google search it as well. Step 7, find the volume of the sphere formula. So V is equal to 4 over 3 multiplied by pi multiplied by r cubed. Step 8, find the volume of the sphere. We just plug in the radius. So they give us the diameter. So 10 meters divided by 2, that gives us our radius. And we plug it in, we'll get 523.59 meters cubed for the volume. Step 9, now we can plug everything into the equation and find the number of moles. So this will be for part A. So 201 kPa, 523.59 meters cubed, and then our 8.314 kPa meters cubed per kmol Kelvin multiplied by 301 Kelvin. This will give us 42.05 kmol. So that's the number of moles for part A. And step 10, find the mass. So we multiply the number of moles by the molar mass, and we'll get 168.32 kilograms. And this is for part B. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now, before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down while I follow all copyright laws. Sometimes things happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Once open, click on video option, click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.